Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to pronounce the word pastel in Brazilian Portuguese. But before we begin, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Alright, let's start. The correct pronunciation is pastel. Once again, pastel. Now, pronunciation can vary depending on the region, so you might also hear it pronounced as pastel or even pastel. But remember, the most important thing is being understood, so don't worry, just go with the pronunciation that feels easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Pastel or pastel or even pastel. You got it. If you have any other word suggestions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.